The Supreme Court of the United States stands as a cornerstone of American democracy. Established by the Constitution, this revered institution holds the ultimate authority in interpreting the law of the land. Composed of 9 justices, appointed for life by the President and confirmed by the Senate, the Supreme Court represents the pinnacle of the judicial branch. The court's power lies in its ability to review laws and executive actions. This process of judicial review ensures that no branch of government oversteps its bounds, safeguarding the delicate balance of power upon which the nation was founded. Through its rulings, the Supreme Court has played a pivotal role in defining fundamental rights, protecting individual liberties, and resolving some of the most contentious issues facing the nation. As the highest court in the land, the Supreme Court's pronouncements carry immense weight. Its decisions have the power to uphold or overturn laws, to affirm or dismantle government policies, and to redefine the very meaning of justice in American society. The early years of the Supreme Court were marked by controversies that tested the newly formed nation. Marbury versus Madison in 1803 established judicial review. Chief Justice John Marshall asserted the court's authority to declare laws unconstitutional. The Dred Scott decision in 1857 sent shockwaves through the nation. The court ruled African Americans were not citizens and had no standing in federal court. Plessy versus Ferguson in 1896 upheld racial segregation under the separate but equal doctrine. Throughout its history, the Supreme Court has issued landmark decisions redefining equality and liberty in the United States. The Brown versus Board of Education case in 1954 stands as a beacon of hope for racial justice. Overturning the separate but equal doctrine, the court declared segregation in public schools unconstitutional. The Miranda versus Arizona decision in 1966 revolutionized law enforcement procedures. Suspects must be informed of their rights, including the right to remain silent and the right to an attorney. The Roe versus Wade decision in 1973 remains one of the most controversial in the court's history. The court recognized a woman's constitutional right to an abortion, sparking a national debate. These decisions illustrate the profound impact of the Supreme Court on Americans' lives. The Warren Court, under the leadership of Chief Justice Earl Warren from 1953 to 1969, is widely regarded as one of the most consequential in American history. This era witnessed a remarkable expansion of civil rights and individual liberties, driven by a court committed to social justice and equality before the law. Under Warren's guidance, the court issued a series of groundbreaking rulings that reshaped the legal landscape. The Brown versus Board of Education decision marked a turning point in the fight for racial equality, while other landmark cases, such as Gideon v. Wainwright in 1963, which guaranteed the right to counsel for indigent defendants, and Miranda v. Arizona, furthered the cause of criminal justice reform. The Warren Court's activism drew both praise and criticism. Supporters lauded its commitment to protecting the rights of the marginalized and expanding access to justice. Critics accused the court of judicial overreach, arguing that it was exceeding its constitutional mandate and venturing into the realm of policymaking. Despite the controversies, the Warren Court left an enduring legacy. The Rehnquist Court, led by Chief Justice William Rehnquist, from 1986 to 2005 marked a shift in the court's ideological balance. With a more conservative majority, the court often deferred to elected branches of government. The court revisited issues decided by its more liberal predecessors. In United States v. Lopez, the court limited Congress's power under the Commerce Clause. The Rehnquist Court made significant rulings on affirmative action, campaign finance reform, and states' rights. Oliver Wendell Holmes Jr., known for his eloquent opinions, championed free speech. His dictum on falsely shouting fire in a theater remains a cornerstone of First Amendment jurisprudence. John Marshall, the fourth Chief Justice, established judicial review in Marbury v. Madison, cementing the court's role as the ultimate arbiter of the Constitution. The Supreme Court has been shaped by justices' unique perspectives and legal philosophies. Thurgood Marshall, the first African American justice, was a tireless advocate for civil rights, evident in Brown v. Board of Education. The Supreme Court of the United States stands as a testament to the enduring power of the rule of law in a democratic society. From its humble beginnings to its present-day prominence, the court has played a pivotal role in shaping the nation's destiny, interpreting the Constitution, and safeguarding the rights of all Americans. Its history is a testament to the evolving nature of justice, reflecting the changing social, political, and cultural landscape of the United States. From the early controversies that tested the very foundations of the nation to the landmark decisions that redefined equality and liberty, the court's rulings have left an indelible mark on American society. As the highest court in the land, the Supreme Court continues to influence American policy today. Its decisions on issues such as healthcare, immigration, and gun control continue to shape the national debate and impact the lives of ordinary citizens. The Supreme Court's legacy is one of both continuity and change. While remaining true to the principles enshrined in the Constitution, the court has also adapted to the evolving needs of a dynamic society. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on the history and impact of the Supreme Court.